To be honest, I would rather just grab my phone and order takeout. But then the mom guilt hits. What oil did they use? Was there too much salt? So here I am, racing against the clock to whip up a nutritious meal by 7 p.m. Thanks to Whirlpool Combi Steamer, today I'll be turning that rush into reality by preparing 4 nutritious dishes in just 30 minutes. Let's prepare our ingredients. Now, let's steam everything together. Pure steam cooking is perfect for preserving nutrients. Let's check on our dishes. Why choose the Whirlpool Pure Steam Sense Plus? Let's review. Whirlpool Combi Steam Oven saves me cooking time and ensures my family enjoys nutritious meals without worry of odors mixing or overcooked food. The convenient and versatile cooking allows me to focus on what matters most, creating cherished moments with my family.